Good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. NB Shesat and I'm assistant professor at MHG College, Malega, in Department of Chemistry. Today I am here to present online lecture on the terpenes for the class of MSc second year organic chemistry. Here we are discuss about the terpenes, what is meant by terpenes, what are the some examples of the terpenes, and what are the conversion of the terpenes in the terpenoids, which are the one of the essential component in our everyday life in and also in the medicinal fields. Next is the learning outcome. What are the learning outcome of the today's presentation? Terpenes, what are the definition of the terpenes we are discussing in today's lecture. Terpenes are the unsaturated compound formed by joining together with the isoprene units, means a number of the isoprene units are joined to form the terpenes. That is, terpenes are the compounds of wide variety of fruits and the flower containing plants and which produce the aroma. Why this particular type and this type of the terpenes have the some specific smell? Why this plant produces this specific smell? Because due to this smell, the parasite and the predators are avoid to touch that particular type of the plants. Okay, terpenes are derived are the responsible for the disinfectant aroma of this species. Terpenes, what is meant by terpenes? Terpenes are named terpene is derived from the Greek word that is the turbine. Turbine is a type of the pine tree from which terpene containing resins are obtained. Okay, these terpene are originate from the particular type of the plant, that is the pine plant, which is found in outer than the India, which contain the resin, and that type of the resins are obtained from the leaves of their particular plant, and that natural extract are used for the further application in the field of medical and in medicinal industry. Then what is the terpenes? Terpene are the first of all, it is a one type of the natural compound. It is found in plant as well as in some type of the insect also. Component of the variety of fruits and floral flowers and the aroma, that is this the plants which consist of the flowers that contain the natural products, and that from that extraction of the terpenes we can use that is for the perfumes, for the medicines, and also for the essential oils. Essential oils containing terpenes, that is, we know the lavender is also used for the relieve the tension. The ylang ylang used for the treat the anesthetics. Lemon oil as for use for the good circulation in human body. Essential oils often contain mixture of the terpenes. Spices containing terpenes in our kitchen also, the terpenes are used for the our daily use. Terpene in plants can be oxidized to produce the compound responsible for the disinfectant or aroma of the species. Terpenes containing oxygen or other functional group are known as the terpenoids. Means generally terpene consists of the number of carbon atom, that may be 5, 10, 15 or like that. And if with this carbon and hydrogen, if it contain the oxygen, then we can call it as a terpenoid. That may be aldehyde or that may be ketones. Common species containing terpenes include the cloves, cinnamons, and ginger. Means ginger, which is we in Indian kitchen we daily use the ginger. It also the one type of the terpenes. Terpenes are the unsaturated. Terpenes are unsaturated, means it contain the carbon carbon bond with double bond, means these terpenes are the unsaturated compounds which can have further applications. Then isoprene, these are the one type of the terpene. The isoprene is a common name is 2-methyl buta 1,3 diene. That is, these are the chemical structure of the terpene. It contains 5 carbon atoms. These are the structure of the isoprene, that is the 2-methyl buta 1,3 diene. One isoprene unit contain the 5 carbon atom. As we are in previous slide we are discussed the What is the isoprene, what is the terpenes? Isoprene, as we are discussed, it contains the 5 carbon atoms, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and that particular type of the carbon atom are joined by the covalent bond, and this covalent bond is also contain the unsaturation. Building terpenes from the isoprene. Isoprene unit can be linked head to tail to form a linear terpenes. That means when isoprene are joined head to tail, and there is a formation of the linear type, it is a one type of the isoprene, and another is there is a formation of the cyclic terpenes. These are the one example of the mystrine, a linear terpene. It is a one type of the linear terpene which are joined linearly to form the mystrine. Here there is a graphical representation for the formation of the mystrine. These are the structure of the linear terpene, that is mystrine is a compound of the plant, that is it can be obtained from the one type of the plant including bay, ylang ylang and thamine. These are the another example of the isoprene, that is the limonene, which is obtained from the simple lemon. We all know the lemon, and it is obtained from the lemon. It contains the how many of the carbon atom you have to note down. Then menthol, we know the menthol structure, which and menthol plant. In India also the menthol plant is obtained. This contain the oxygen as an extra element. That's why the functionality of this compound is changed, and its name suggests menthol. Its end is the OL, that is the alcoholic group are introduced in the terpene, and there is a formation of the another derivative of the terpene, that is the menthol, which are used for medicinal purpose as well as in the kitchen chemistry also. This terpene has been oxidized to the terpenoids, and there is a formation of the new class of the natural compound, that is the terpenoids. Next, these are the another example of the terpene derivative, that is the terpenoid, and its particular name as the thiazine, which is also known as the asbestin. These terpenes are also oxidized to form the terpenoids by the number of chemical transformation. And another one important example is the camphor, that is the cyclic terpenoids, which are derived from the terpenes, that is it contains the oxygen as a extra elements. That's why it can be known as the terpenoids, and which can be extracted from the camphor tree. Another example is the alpha cylanine. It is also one type of the cyclic terpenes, which are formed by 3 isoprene units, that is 3 into 5, that is the 15 carbon atom. This alpha cylanine contain the 15 carbon atoms, which are joined by the unsaturation of the carbon atom. Next is the beta carotene. We know the carotene is one type of the fruit. It contains the 8 isoprene unit, as we know that one isoprene unit contains the 5 carbon atom. That's why 8 into 5 there is a formation of the 40 carbon atom linear terpenes. These are the chemical structure of the terpenoid. Then some question asked for the student, that is we have to give the answer which unit make up every terpene unit. The question first is the which unit makes up every terpenes. Next, how many carbon are there in the isoprene unit? Next, what is the systematic name for the isoprene? Next question, what is an oxidized terpenes known? And I know if you understand today's lecture, then you have to give the answer, and here are the answers of the question, what unit make up every terpene, and the answer is isoprene unit. Next, how many carbon there are in the isoprene unit, and the answer of this question is 5. Next, what is the systematic name for the isoprene, and your answer is 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. Next, what is an oxidized terpene known, and your answer may be terpenoid. Next, these are the summary of the today's presentations. terpenes are the unsaturated compound, that is the two carbon atom are joined by the double bond uh, to form isoprene unit. Terpenes are the compound in a wide variety of fruits, flowers, and aroma. You have to know the terpenes are obtained from the natural compound. That is, it is a one type of the natural compound. That's why it can be obtained from the plant as well as some insect. Terpenes can be oxidized within the plants to produce the compound responsible for the distinctive aroma of the species, and these terpenes can be oxidized to form the terpenoids, and further chemical transformation is obtained to further number of the compound which are essential for the human being as well as for the further application. Thank you for the today's presentation.